Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about C language. Overview. C is a general-purpose, high-level language that was originally developed by Dennis M. Ritchie to develop the Unix operating system at Bell Labs. C was originally first implemented on the DEC PDP-11 computer in 1972. In 1978, Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie produced the first publicly available description of C, now known as the K&R standard. The Unix operating system, the C compiler, and essentially all Unix application programs have been written in C. C has now become a widely used professional language for various reasons. First, easy to learn. Second, structured language. Third, it produces efficient programs. Fourth, it can handle low-level activities. Fifth, it can be compiled on a variety of computer platforms. Important facts about C. C was invented to write an operating system called Unix. C is a successor of B language, which was introduced around the early 1970s. The language was formalized in 1988 by the American National Standard Institute. The Unix OS was totally written in C. Today, C is the most widely used and popular system programming language. Most of the state-of-the-art software have been implemented using C. Today's most popular Linux OS and RDBMS, MySQL have been written in C. Why use C? What does it do? C was initially used for system development work, particularly the programs that make up the operating system. C was adopted as a system development language because it produces code that runs nearly as fast as the code written in assembly language. Some examples of the use of C might be operating systems, language compilers, assemblers, text editors, print spoolers, network drivers, modern programs, databases, language interpreters, utilities, and so on. C programs. A C program can vary from 3 lines to millions of lines, and it should be written into one or more text files with extension .c, for example, hello.c. This series of tutorial will give you enough understanding on C programming language from where you can take yourself to higher level of expertise. Timed code. I will be using Atom text editor to write the source code. Study all of this program carefully. First, note how we start with a welcome message that tells the user exactly what needs to be entered. Similarly, at the end of the program, we print an ending message. It is a good style to print a start and an end message. This program contains 3 different processes. First, it reads 3 numbers. The code to read the numbers includes the printed instructions and a read scanf statement. The second process adds the 3 numbers. While this process consists of only a comment and 1 statement, we separate it from the read process. This makes it easier for the reader to follow the program. Finally, we print the result. Again, the print process is separated from the calculate process by a blank line. Let's for example. This program demonstrates 3 ways to use constants. This demonstrates that all characters are stored in a computer as integers. We define some characters variables, and initialize them with values, and then we print them as integers. As you study the output, note that the ASCII values of the characters are printed. The program also shows that value of some non-printable characters. And that wraps up this video tutorial. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.